Take a look at these pictures. All of them have been coming in from China. Yes, the country has reversed its zero COVID policy and has opened up, lifting restrictions. These are pictures from now, from a few days ago, some of them from Saturday, some of them from Sunday, just 1 or 2 days ago. These aren't visuals coming in from 3 years ago when the pandemic had just hit us and we didn't know what had hit us. When the pandemic, when the virus had tripled the healthcare systems and crematoriums were overflowing in many parts of the world, including India. This is China right now, unable to handle the crisis, doesn't know what to do. China only a few days ago reversed its zero COVID policy. Remember when the virus was first seen in China in Wuhan just 3 years ago and spread like wildfire through the world, bringing the world to its knees. This is a problem that continues to linger in China. This isn't a new variant. In fact, Omicron and its sublineages have been in circulation. China has not allowed its people to gain any sort of exposure to this infection because of its zero COVID policy. And that's the reason why the Chinese people do not have natural immunity. Also, vaccination rates for the elderly, including, is low in China. The country says over 30% of its above age of 60 population is not vaccinated, which means there is no immunity against the infection. And that's the reason why when restrictions were lifted, these were pictures to be seen and expected. A study published by Nature in May 2022 predicted that in 6 months following China ditching its zero COVID policy, there is going to be mayhem. In terms of the numbers, 112 million symptomatic cases will be seen, 1.6 million deaths, and demand for intensive medical care is going to be 15.6 times greater than national capacity. Undoubtedly a terrible situation for the Chinese people who have already been at the receiving end of this flawed zero policy of its government, of the country, which of course gave this infection to the world to begin with.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News Mo.